Hi, I'm Reese, a designer with the Quilted Cow. Today I'll show you how to make the Blossom Pillow. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, Rulers, and Mats, and the beautiful Wilmington Prints, the fabric that I'll be using today. Let's get started. Today I'll show you how to make the Blossom Pillow. It's the perfect pillow for springtime, and you can get the kits on our website at thequiltedcow.com. It comes with all the fabrics that you'll need to sit and sew along with your pattern. Well, let's get started. First, you'll want to cut all your fabrics to size, and I have done that. So this pattern is super easy. You're going to have your 4 background fabrics, and then this is one of your petals. You're going to turn these wrong side up, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line from corner to corner on all 4 of your pieces, just like that. And then you're going to place your background fabrics in each corner, just like that. So you're making sure that your lines are going in and toward you, just like that. Let's go ahead and pin them down. And then we're going to stitch right on the line. Let's do that. Okay, as you can see, I have stitched right on those blue lines. And now I'm going to trim 1/4 inch away from the line. So it should look something like this. And let's go ahead and press that open. And that is the first petal of your flower. Now you'll repeat that process, but on the other one, you'll want to do a green piece or whatever your sea fabric would be. So let's go ahead and put these together. And all we're doing is just rotating our blocks. We're going to have one block that is all white on the sides. This one will have one green. This block will have one green. And then this one also. But you can tell this one is over here in this corner. That's going to be the center of your pillow. Let's go ahead and assemble this flower. And there you have your first flower. And let's go ahead and press that one open as well. Okay, and let's go ahead and add our other flowers into it. So this is the layout of your flowers. And same thing, we're just gonna put these 2 flowers right sides together, pin, and then stitch 1/4 inch down the side of the fabric. And there you have your topper with all your flowers assembled. Let's go ahead and press that one more time. Okay, next, we're just going to add the borders. Let's add our side borders first. And we're going to lay those just right sides together, pin, and stitch 1/4 inch down each side. And then we'll do the exact same thing for the top. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I have attached the first border around the pillow, and I'm going to go ahead and press open the top and bottom. And now let's attach our final border. We're going to do the exact same process. We're going to attach the sides first, just like this, right sides together. We'll use 1/4 inch and stitch down that side, stitch down this side, and then I will add the top and bottom strips and stitch those as well. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, I've attached the last border, and now let's go ahead and just press that open. And there you have your pillow top. So let's go ahead and move on to the backing, attaching the backing. So you're gonna have 2 pieces of fabric for your backing, and you're gonna cut them to size from what your pattern says. And then you're gonna fold it in half. Just like it'll be like this. Fold it in half, making sure your ends meet. And then we're going to stitch 1/4 inch down the folded side. So you can see here, this is my folded side. I'm going to stitch 1/4 inch down it. do it. Now that I've stitched my fold, I'm going to go ahead and lay it on top of my pillow. And this is the other one I have stitched already. So my fold is here and my fold is here. And they will overlap a little bit. You want that. Now, before you attach your backing, if you are wanting it to be quilted like this one that I have done, you'll want to put your cotton and your muslin, you're going to layer that together, and you can quilt that before you attach your backing. I did quilt that one, but on this one, I'm just going to show you how to attach the backing. So once you've laid out your backing pieces, having them overlap in the center, we're going to pin all the way around every side. And make sure that you have your pillow top up when you're attaching your backing, because we're going to flip it right side out after we stitch it. Now that I've stitched my backing on, I'm just going to flip it right side out. Just taking my finger and pressing those corners out. You can use something that has a point, but be super careful because you can poke through your fabric. So maybe just something with a dull tip or something that's not super sharp. I'm just going to use my fingers for now and press those out. Look, you have your envelope backing now. And there you have your blossom pillow. Remember, you can get the kits on our website at thequiltedcow.com. Comes with your pattern and all the fabric you need to sit and sew. Like and subscribe to see all of our videos. Thanks for watching.
Okay, you wicked cool quilters, good job. You made it to the end. We would like to thank our sponsors, Husqvarna Viking Sewing Machines, Creative Grids, rulers, rotary cutters, and mats, and Wilmington Prints for the beautiful fabrics. Thanks for watching.